All right, guys, so this is going to be the intro of the video. I know this video is kind of cut up. We had a tornado come through, so I had to deal with cutting down a tree and getting rid of it and stuff. So this is what we're doing today. I go through an install of these and these. I show some light output pictures. For you EcoBoost guys, just a quick tip. I ran the wires through here, zip tied them down so they don't go back to the cold air intercooler, whatever it's called, CAC, charge air cooler, I think. Then I ran the wiring up through this way. So yeah, sorry this video is a little cut up, but I'll show you how I did the switches real quick too, because I don't know if that came out. So everything's just been a mess here the last few days. So that's for the light bar, and that's for the ditch lights. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. These things are bright as crap, so enjoy the video and have a good one. All right, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I'm going to do some auxiliary lighting on the truck. I ordered the Sleekster low profile. It's made by like Randy Ellis Designs, if you look him up on Facebook or Google or whatever. It's a light bar mount that goes in front of the bumper. You don't have to drill anything on the truck. There's a couple plastic pieces you have to trim on EcoBoost, but not 5.0s. So 1 point for the V8 guys. So I'm doing the light bar mount on the front. I've got two of these Baja Designs XLs that are going on there, and then two of the squatters. So you can see the size difference. Those are going on the front bumper area. They should be bright as crap. And then I got two more Baja Designs. So you'll see the lenses are different on some of them. I got combo pattern, and then I got wide corner. So these are going to be ditch lights. I got some brackets from Lace Fit to do those. These go on the front bumper with the big ones. So these things should be super bright. As you've seen in previous videos and stuff, I love lighting. I don't know why. You know, what I spent on this stuff, I could have got, I don't know, a tune and then some. So I like lighting. I geek out about it. I don't know why. So this is a nice option. It's not going to add a whole bunch of janky stuff to the truck. You know, I don't have to cut, I don't have to drill holes, or well, I do have to cut some plastic, but we'll get to that in a minute. But I don't have to drill holes. It should be nice and clean, reversible. The hood brackets are over here. Let me grab those. So these came from Lace Fit. I kind of repainted them. They came powder coated, but I threw a gloss coat on there. It wasn't super smooth surface. They're not super glossy, but yeah, we're gonna start getting into this. So I'll show you the first step here in just a sec. All right, guys, so I got the first part done. See all these little clips? There's like 16, I believe, 12 or 16 clips. This whole plastic piece, you just kind of carefully, I started here, went around, it just pulled right off. So this would be a good opportunity to clean up this area and stuff down here. If you look in here, this is what the light bar mount is going to fasten to. So you'll just undo that, put the bracket in, and then here's where we're going to need to trim. So this plastic piece right here, we'll just need to trim a cutout there to kind of get it out of the way, and we should be good to go. So I'm going to grab my multi-tool and start there. All right, guys, so I used, I think it's a 20. I don't remember what, I'll have to look, but this one's loose, so I can move it. You can see in here I notched this. I actually notched it way too big, but that's the brackets, and then I'm going to go ahead and bolt up the bar. This thing is sweet. It's going to be real low profile, just a nice place to mount some lights. So I got to grab the bag of hardware, and we'll see how this thing's turning out. All right, guys, so this is the first part of the install here. And I'm know I'm sitting super close. I pulled kind of far into the garage, but still have all my factory plastic stuff. Had to do a little cutting. Nothing too bad. And this thing is frame mounted. It is not going anywhere. So let's start mounting up lights and figuring out how we're going to run the wires. All right, guys, so I've got these all mounted up. I'll get a better shot here in a sec, but I think they look pretty slick. Now I'm going to do the hood lights. So I'm doing this with one person. And I don't know if I need to do this. I didn't on my Ram, but I'm going to outline where this hood latch goes. That way I can be sure my hood alignment's still good. So we'll go over and mark the other side. Like I said, I don't know if that's required or not, but we're going to do it. There's the other bracket. With the hood being aluminum, it should be pretty light. Okay, so now got those marked. Kind of crappy job, but that's all right. We're gonna go and put on the hood brackets. All right, guys, got everything wrapped up. They all work. I'll show you how I did the wiring and everything else tomorrow. I'm gonna go eat dinner. This thing took a little longer than I expected, but super clean. You can add a bunch of nice lighting and you don't have a rooftop light bar or something like that. I like the look. Again, I'll probably rarely use these, but being out here in deer country, I just thought it'd be kind of neat. I've always wanted a bar like that on one of my trucks with some cool lights, and they didn't make them for the Rams, really. So I found this. I'm like, we'll give it a try. So anyways, I'll do some output shots and show you guys the wiring and do some stuff like that. So hopefully you guys like this kind of content so far. All right, guys, so as promised, I was going to give you guys some output shots at night and stuff. I'm unable to get the drone up because you can see the roads are all wet. We're getting rain and wind. We had a really bad storm. I had a tree fall down in my yard. So I just got other stuff going on. But without further ado, so this is going to be your Morimoto XB low beams and fog lights. Stupid auto start stop. You can see all the tree debris on the road. So this is low beams and fogs. There's your high beams. This is going to be the lights on the light bar. And then we will add in the, if I can find the switch, I'm still not used to these yet, and I'm usually doing it right-handed. So you can see there's one switch right there, and then I added in, here, so that's all the lights. And then we can add our high beams in there, and you've got light for hundreds of yards. I mean, these things are impressive. So we'll go up here and see some more of that storm damage. Nice white color. They match my low beams and my fog lights real well. I don't want to blind somebody, so let me kick these off. That's just back to our low beams and fogs. We've got more tree debris. Holy crap. Like I said, we got pummeled tonight. Help if I had some lights. So that's just the lights on the light bar. That's 2 Squadron Sports and 2 Squadron XLs, and this is with 2 more Squadron Sports. So I mean, this thing is just a wall of light. I love it. I'm happy with it. As usual, Baja Design. Diode Dynamics is awesome too. I love my fog lights. But Baja Designs, great product, great warranty, great fit and finish. But yeah, we're lighting up everything. So I'll get some more output shots here in the near future. I'll get the drone out, and we'll get some real good distance and width and all that stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. I'll add some pictures too in this of the different lighting and the outputs and stuff. And if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Please like and subscribe. We'll catch you all in the next one. All right, guys, I'll show you here. Let me use the lights for something, I guess. Hopefully this doesn't disturb my neighbors, but oh well. So, if you can see right here, that's the tree down in my front yard that I have to deal with tomorrow. So that's going to take away from some mod money. So anyways, like I was saying, like, subscribe, please comment. And I get to go buy a chainsaw. Well, it's today now. I've worked like a 17-hour day. Just a lot going on. So gonna go buy a chainsaw, cut this thing up, and then, like I said, we'll get the drone out here soon. You can really check out all the good lighting and stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Take care.